Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your wallet address on Binance Lite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Binance, click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, your wallet address on Binance Lite is where others can send cryptocurrencies to you, whether you're receiving payments, donations, or transferring funds between wallets. You need your address to complete these transactions. For example, you want to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Binance account to another wallet or exchange, you'll need the destination wallet address, because that ensures the funds are sent to the correct location securely. You can use your wallet address to verify transactions on the blockchain. Each transaction is associated with the specific wallet, allowing you to track and confirm the movements of your funds and in and out of your Binance app. Now, for example, you wanted to get the address of the specific crypto. Now, for example, we're going to get the USDT. When you click on it, you should be able to click on the buy USDT or deposit, and you would be given the address of that specific crypto. It would auto-populate here. But the thing is, if you click on deposit, you need to verify your account first before you can proceed, because once you've verified your account, you would be able to access the advanced tools here on Binance, even when you click on the withdraw. So for you to be able to see the wallet address here on Binance, you have to verify your account. But if you do so, you would be able to see it here, the address. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.